Hi, this video is a step-by-step tutorial how to make the wallet Rotaldo. You can understand this tutorial even without sound. The link to this pattern is in the description box. For more patterns with video instructions, visit my website GettingLoosey.com. This video is divided into chapters, so you can just jump to the desired topics. For Rotaldo you need fabric and contrast fabric. I used cotton fabric for both. How many times you need to cut out each pattern piece from which fabric is indicated on each pattern piece. The required amount of fabric and supplies is also indicated in the pattern information and in this video description. You should interface some of the pieces. Which ones is also indicated on the pattern pieces. For Rotaldo I use Decovil Light as the outer interfacing and Vilene H250 to reinforce the inner parts. I cut the interfacing without seam allowances. The zipper for this project should be at least 12 cm or 5 inches long. A snap or magnetic button serves as the closure. Let's start with the card slot. Trace the mountain and valley markings onto the fabric. The right side of the fabric is facing you. Fold the mountain lines towards you, the valley lines away from you. Press the pleats in place. Now you can iron on the edge interfacing. It's best to start at the bottom. Make sure that the adhesive side of the interfacing is facing up. Iron on all edge interfacings like this. Top stitch all edges from the right. So one side part to the right and one to the left edge. Fold the side parts outwards and top stitch them close to the edge. Sew the lining piece to the card slot as shown. Trim the seam allowances in the corner and turn the piece. Top stitch the side part. Continue with the zipper piece. First sew the top part to the zipper with the right side down. Then place the bottom part onto the zipper, also with the right side down. Now take the zipper pocket part and place it on the other side of the zipper band, the right side facing the zipper. Sew both parts to the zipper. Fold the bottom part in the zipper pocket down and top stitch along the zipper. Fold the zipper pocket up as shown and top stitch along the other side of the zipper. If your zipper is too long like mine, cut it back now. Then sew one side part to the left and one side to the right side of the zipper pocket part. Fold the side part outwards and top stitch them close to the edge. Sew the lining to the pocket part, right sides together. Trim the seam allowances in the corner and turn the piece. Top stitch the side part. Continue with the in-between pocket. Mark the center of the interfaced piece. Make a mark about 2 cm or 3/4 of an inch from the bottom edge. Place the card slot on the left side, the pocket part on the right side. The distance between the pieces should be about 1.5 cm or 5/8 of an inch. Sew the card pieces as shown. Cut away the excess fabric. Sew the uninterfaced in-between pocket piece right sides together to the upper edge of the interfaced piece. Press the seam allowances open, fold it over and top stitch the upper edge. Now take the uninterfaced wallet body piece and stitch on the just finished interior as shown. Sew within the seam allowance. Let's continue with the flap. I have interfaced both flap pieces with Decovil Light. Place them right sides together and sew them as shown. Trim the seam allowances. You can use pinking shears or, like me, just cut out small triangles. But be careful not to cut into the seam. Turn the flap. If you are using a magnetic button, attach it now before top stitching. Be careful not to cut through both layers of fabric. Top stitch the flap close to the edge from the right. I use a snap and can attach it after top stitching. To do this, I mark the center and place the pattern piece on the top to transfer the position of the button. Then I attach the snap according to the instructions. Now take the interfaced main body piece. Sew the flap centrally within the seam allowance. Mark the position of the closure here as well and attach it. It doesn't matter if it's a snap or magnetic button. Place both main body pieces right sides together and stitch. Leave an opening for turning. Trim the seam allowances and turn the wallet. Shape the corners nicely and press everything neatly. Top stitch around. Rotaldo is ready now! If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. For more sewing patterns with video instructions, visit my website GettingLoosey.com.